Dude, I didn't want to make this video because on the last video, I said that I would give them the benefit of the doubt. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, on the last video that I made about a month ago, I told you guys that my OnePlus Open, the folding phone that I had, which was my favorite phone of last year, broke. The inside screen, when I opened and closed it, had a little slice in the middle of dead pixels. And then just over time, as the days progressed, it just got worse and worse and worse and worse. Until eventually I reached out to their customer service. They said, yo, send it out. We'll give you a shipping label. Everything will be taken care of. And so I was like, okay, cool. This could be just like a flawed unit or something. This is my first Android phone because I'm switching over from iPhone. And I'm willing to give them the benefit of the doubt, which is what I said in the previous video, right? I sent my phone out, I believe, in early January. Looking at my watch right now, it is February 11th. And I still haven't gotten my phone back. I literally have an email text thread thing of me going back and forth with customer service saying, any update? And they're hitting me back up and saying, yeah, just a few days. Any update? Yeah, just a few days. Any update? Yeah, just a few more days, we promise. And I've been doing this back and forth with them for pretty much what it seems like over a month and a half now. Now I get an email today actually telling me that they're running 2 weeks even more behind because they're running out of spare parts to fix the phone. Dude, at this point, it's been so long, I don't even want it back anymore. Like, I'm just fed up with OnePlus. I actually went out and I bought the new iPhone just in case I wouldn't have a phone for a really long time. And that has me questioning, right? What if someone doesn't have the financial means to go out and get another phone, or they don't have a backup phone? That means if they sent this phone out because it was their main phone, they would be without a phone for over a month and a half. Well, now with my new update saying it'll be probably 2 weeks backed up because of the spare parts, probably closer to 2 months, 2.5 months. Dude, man, by the time I get this phone back, the high of the phone, like my excitement, the magic around the phone will be gone because it'll be tainted by this terrible customer service experience. I didn't know that OnePlus's customer service was so bad. I mean, I've heard of bad customer service stories, right? From, you know, most brands that are not Apple, Samsung, or Google, to be fair. But I didn't know it could get this bad. Or maybe it was just my personal experience. But at least for me, I'm just, because you guys have been asking for an update, right? That's the update. That's my current relationship with OnePlus. It's not a good one. I won't be buying any phones from them moving forward because just this experience was awful. I mean, genuinely. And this is with my phone being agreed upon by the customer service team to be repaired. So I'm sitting here like, okay, so if someone gets the repair service warranty or like pays for it and they ship it out, it's going to actually take this long for them to get something back? Because that's been my experience so far, which is freaking crazy, bro. But yeah, just giving you guys an update. I have not gotten the phone yet, which is why we haven't uploaded any videos for over a month, because I wanted my next video to be an update of their customer service. And unfortunately, this is where we are with that. So sorry, as soon as I get it back. But in the meantime, I mean, I picked up a new gaming PC and a new gaming laptop, actually, and a couple new tech things here and there as well. So we'll be uploading to the channel more frequently after this video. All right, so sorry that this was how it played out, you guys, but just wanted to give you my honest and open feedback. We're not sponsored by anybody or anything like that. So, all right, thanks for sticking with us. We'll catch you guys later. All right, peace.